Nestled on the banks of the sacred river Ganges in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi is a city that pulsates with spirituality, history, and culture. Renowned as one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, Varanasi, also known as Kashi or Banaras, is a melting pot of traditions, beliefs, and rituals. At the heart of Varanasi's spiritual essence lie its ghats, the series of steps leading down to the river, each with its own story, significance, and rhythm of life. The ghats of Varanasi are not merely physical structures but living, breathing entities that embody the essence of Hindu spirituality. There are over 80 ghats along the banks of the Ganges in Varanasi, each serving a distinct purpose. From spiritual rituals to daily ablutions, from contemplative meditation to vibrant celebrations, the ghats witness a myriad of activities that reflect the spectrum of human existence. Among the most revered ghats in Varanasi is Dashashwamedh Ghat, often considered the epicenter of the city's spiritual life. Legend has it that Lord Brahma performed the Dasashwamedha sacrifice at this spot. Every evening, Dashashwamedh comes alive with the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti, a ritualistic ceremony where priests offer prayers to the river goddess with flaming lamps, accompanied by chanting and music. The spectacle is a symphony of devotion that draws pilgrims and tourists alike to its sacred shores. For those seeking solace and tranquility, Assi Ghat offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of Varanasi's streets. Situated at the confluence of the river Ganges and Assi River, this ghat is a favorite among seekers and scholars. It is believed to be the spot where the legendary poet Tulsidas penned the revered epic Ramcharitmanas. At dawn, the soft glow of the rising sun paints a picturesque scene as devotees engage in yoga, meditation, and morning rituals, immersing themselves in the serenity of the surroundings. Manikarnika Ghat holds a special place in Hindu mythology and tradition, revered as the holiest cremation ground in Varanasi. According to legend, Lord Shiva's earring fell at this spot, hence the name Manikarnika, which means jeweled earring in Sanskrit. Hindus believe that cremation at Manikarnika Ghat liberates the soul from the cycle of birth and death, granting moksha, or liberation. Despite its association with death, Manikarnika Ghat is a vibrant hub of activity, bustling with mourners, priests, and funeral processions, all bound by the belief in the eternal cycle of life and death. Exploring the ghats of Varanasi is not just a spiritual journey but also a cultural odyssey. Each ghat has its own stories to tell, its own legends to unravel, and its own unique ambience to experience. From the vibrant colors of the markets near Vishwanath Gali to the tranquil boat rides along the river at Chet Singh Ghat, Varanasi's ghats offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Indian heritage and tradition. While Varanasi's ghats continue to be a beacon of spirituality and cultural heritage, they also face numerous challenges, including pollution, encroachment, and neglect. Efforts are underway to preserve and restore these sacred spaces, with initiatives aimed at cleaning the Ganges, renovating heritage structures, and promoting sustainable tourism. Through collective action and community engagement, there is hope that Varanasi's ghats will continue to thrive as a symbol of India's timeless spiritual legacy for generations to come. Varanasi's ghats stand as silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of time, carrying with them the stories of countless souls who have sought solace, salvation, and spiritual enlightenment on their sacred shores. As the spiritual heart of India, Varanasi beckons travelers from across the globe to immerse themselves in its mystical aura, to witness the confluence of tradition and modernity, and to experience the timeless rhythms of life along the sacred waters of the river Ganges. In Varanasi, amidst the ancient alleys and timeless rituals, one discovers not just a city but a spiritual journey that transcends the boundaries of time and space.